You've been making your cheeseburger wrong your entire life. Don't fuck it up. 80% of the US is obese, so you should all have these condiments. Equal parts ketchup and mayo, mustard, a touch of paprika, onion. We're obviously making the fucking sauce first. Sweet relish, a touch of pickle juice. That is your fucking burger sauce. You're gonna cook some bacon. What, you said cheeseburger, not a bacon cheeseburger. Fuck you! If you don't know how to cook bacon by now, you know what? That's actually okay. It's super complex. Go to a cliff and fucking jump off of it. You're gonna take your bacon out, grab your brioche bun, and you're gonna fucking toast it in the bacon fat. Grab some 80-20 ground beef. What does 80-20 mean? 20% fat, 80% lean. Grab an onion. You're gonna slice this so fucking thin that it's see-through. Make 2 balls. Put some of your onion on them. They should look like this. You're gonna get this ripping hot. Can I just use a pan instead? Yes! Butter. Burgers go on. Little bit of salt. Smash the fuck out of these. American cheese. You're gonna cover it on both sides. Pickles. And you have to assemble it this way. Lettuce. Tomato. And that's how you make a fucking cheeseburger.